Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a 5-bedroom, but the good part about this home is you have 2 master bedroom. Like, who wouldn't love 2 master bedroom? I think any girl or guy would love 2 master bedrooms. So I'm going to show you guys around. I'm going to take you guys inside, show you around, and if you like, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And guess what? I'll see you later. Bye guys.
The projector is built into the ceiling. At the push of a button, the screen comes down. This is the living room area, which is open to the pool outside. So all these doors are telescoping doors. They open also, bringing the inside into, bringing the outside into the inside. So this is your dining room area. And as always, the beautiful lady. What's your name again, miss? Yep. So, in the kitchen, you have nice quartz top. So in this particular house, you have 2 bedroom in the lower floor, and then there are 3 bedrooms situated upstairs, and 2 of those 3 bedroom upstairs are master bedroom. When you enter the house, you are greeted by this majestic ceiling. It's at least maybe, 24, 30 feet high. And the house has an amazing flow to it. So one of the bedroom, which is right here, it can be converted into an office because it's close to the entrance. And throughout the whole house, you'll see a lot of musical accent. So this is the bathroom from that room that's adjacent to the entrance. And you have a map of Africa, South America, and North America, which is also a nice touch. I like that. And then you have a grand master case that leads to upstairs. Again, like I said, when you walk in, this is what you're greeted with. A nice art piece on the wall. And then on the right here is the second bedroom. Again, you have also musical attributes on the wall. Literally signed by a lot of artists. This is a nice piece. And you have a full bathroom. Again, all those doors can be open, bringing the outside to the inside. So you have almost like a T-shaped type of pool, and one of them is a hot tub anyway. So I'm going to take you guys upstairs so at least you could have an idea of how the how the layout of the house is. Again, this is double as a living room and also a theater room. Okay, so let me go upstairs so you could get a feel for it. So these stairs are finished in concrete, polished concrete, which is also a nice industrial modern look to the house, mixed with stainless steel. Or actually this looks like brushed nickel. I don't know, I could be wrong. That's a nice touch. The first thing you see is a nice red wall when you enter the second level. There's a nice railing right here. You have an open office. This can be converted to a room if you so please. It's just that you wouldn't have a bathroom for it. Hello. So enter your first master on the second floor. It's very gratuitous in terms of size. It has a nice balcony. So that balcony is shared between this master and the office adjacent to it. This is the view you get from the balcony. You get some of the Miami skyline. Again, we still have those beautiful European style fans throughout the whole house. Again, this is also another balcony. Not as big as the other one, but it overlooks the pool downstairs. And of course, this is the master, the norm double sink. Very, very modern faucet. You have a tub, and behind the tub there's an accent wall. Needless to say, behind the wall is your commode area, and then on the other side is your shower with an enormous shower head mimicking the rain, and also there's a handheld shower one if you so desire. And then next to the bathroom obviously is your closet. It's a good sized closet. It's at least, I don't know, 24 feet long by 8 feet wide. And then you have this graded art piece motif that is repeated throughout the whole house. When I go outside, I'll show you how that really complements the house. So again, we came from this way. When I made a left, we went into the first master room, bedroom. And this is the second bedroom right here. Now, this is an amazing faucet. I've never seen anything like it, but I knew this was a faucet looking at it. This is really nice. This is really amazing. And you have a standing shower. This is converted as a sitting area, but again, you could turn this into a bedroom. It gives you a view of the street. Again, that same gridded decoration. Here's your balcony. And again, that amazing fan that I'm really liking. So right off of that is going to be, did you go in there yet? Okay, so this is the other master. So when you enter, on your left is the master bedroom. Now this is a full king size in there, and it looks very small. That's how big the room is. The fan is still repeated. And you have an amazing balcony that overlooks the pool outside. So when you enter, the left is the bedroom, and obviously the middle is the closet. The closet it's at least a 12 by 12 room with ample space where you could add some partition for your clothes. And then on the right is this massive bathroom. Again, look at your fixture. This is by Cielo, which is made in Italy. This is your towel warmers. This is really nice. And you have your tub, double shower. Again, look at the fixture. It's not very common. The fixtures are really nice. You could see they're Italian imported. And then you have your bidet in here and your toilet. Of course, a mirror, you could make this into a sitting area. So this is the second floor. I will take you outside at least to give you a sense of your exterior space. So this is the ceiling I was referring to. When you walk in, you are greeted with this amazing ceiling. So from the first floor, like I said, you have access to several access. You have access from the living room. You have access from this bedroom right here. So I wanted to give you a view of what outside entails. So you have a lot of trees. That gives you privacy. You have some amazing trees, actually. Let me see if I can show you. If any of you know what kind of tree this is, let me know. So this is your pool. You have some nice gravel, which I like because you don't have too much grass, which minimize, critters. So this is, like I said, T-shape. So you have your little dining room area, and here you have an outdoor kitchen. And behind it is, of course, the AC. So while you're in the backyard, this is the kind of view you could look up and see the entire back portion of the house. And then, like I said, this part right here is repeated throughout the whole house. So this occupies an entire wall. And then again, in the master, when we went upstairs, we had that same metal structure, which act as shade, and also it gives a nice accent. It's reminiscing of, like, those gate for like a commercial space. So at night you'll have all those recessed lighting that'll give you some nice ambience lighting here. So this house is listed for how much, Carsa? $4.5 million. So if you have any question, reach out to us, and we'll make this happen. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. Until then, we'll see you in the next property.